Hi, this is Master Kent. How to locate the brand by referring the product name. You want to know the brand, but without using VLookup or XLookup or even MergeQuery. First, we'll convert these two into an Excel table and one is named as table trans and the other is called table products. And then we will extract just this column. Okay, we just extract this column. And the way we do this is that we will use a tool called List PositionOf within this column and by referring to this product. So we want to know where is the location, where is the index of this product name in this list, in this perhaps I change the color. Okay, so this is the idea behind it. Okay, so let's say here what label canned tomato. So we locate here and we'll find that the what label canned tomato is right here. And from here, we want to do a little tweak. So we just want it to move from here, just move here. Okay, and that will get achieve locate that product brand. So without using the merge query, which is an expensive operation also because it's going to look at all the column. So let's see how we do. First, we'll load both of them into a query. So it's just really a query. It's loaded into a connection. Okay, we do the same for this. And then now we go to the transactions table. And the product brand is not there. Yeah, we don't need this product brand. So actually we don't need that. Let's just close it first. Let's go back here. Okay, this is not needed because we will basically we will just create on the spot. Okay, let's come back to the transactions. Now because we deleted the column, so the change type will no longer apply. So let's delete that. So go to the add column, cast column, and we're going to call the position of list of position of. So here's the intelligence. So it got a list, and that's the value. So how do we get extract just that column from another query? So well, we'll just call it table products. Now to extract just the column, we just call the square, and there's a product name right there. Okay, and go to the product name of this transaction table. So is that we go to the product names column, extract the entire columns, and then from there we want to check which product names match with the product name in the current row. So I'll just call it index product name 21. So what does in 21? Go to the, so we want what label canned tomatoes. So we go here and we check what label canned tomato right here. And this is on 22. You minus 1 get 21. And that's 18. What chicken soup. Let's look at here. 18, right? So it will be here. What chicken soup. 19 minus 1, 18. But okay, so we have the positions, right? We have the position. So now we just move here. Okay, we say that, yeah, I know that is the index of, but I want something from a different column. So how to do that? So we already have the index. So we just double click on the step. And, well, actually we can we do another to help you easier to understand. So we just need to call the table products, and in the column of here's a brand product. Do I have to put a brand? Yeah, we have the products brand. Yeah, so it should have that. Let's try that. Okay, and that's the brand. Click OK. And so that's true. Okay, there are 4 errors. Why is that an error? Because that the what label regular ramens is couldn't be found. What label regular ramens? So if we can see here, what regular ramen got, but not this one. So there's a changes. So in case that there's an error, this is what happened. Okay. Anyway, this is a way to locate the brand in a much more efficient way. So actually, these 2 steps can be combined together. If you can accept it, then it will be like this. So once you have the position, so you just need to enclose it with table product brand, and then there you are. Everything into one. Much more efficient than the merge query. Okay, so you can see that why it says so, because if you use merge query, yes, it's easier to use. It's just that you need to have this step and this step here. Click OK, and then you need to expand everything here. See, you need to go through that step here, and see that. So depends on your need. In your merge query, you need to show everything and expand. You pick one of them. Or you want to just write a single word and combine. So they'll remove 2 steps, you see. There's only 1 step. So thanks for watching. And that is how to solve how to locate the brand by referring to product name. Thanks for watching. God bless you. God bless Asia.